Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here, back with a weekly update on Copyprotraders. How's trading been going and what's been happening? We're in the second update for January, and finally we're back at full steam. December was slow and the beginning of January was slow, but we're back getting at it and the markets is working with us. But before we get into the numbers, let's make sure you subscribe to the channel, you hit the like and share button. There's a Telegram broadcast channel down in the description where we try and give daily updates on what's happening, and the link is down below as well. So why Copyprotraders? Your funds are safe. With Copyprotraders, your funds stays in your own exchange. It never leaves your own exchange. And with the software they're using, API keys, you give them permission to trade on your behalf, but they can't withdraw your funds. You're in total control. Every time a trader opens a trade, it gets mirrored at your side. Every time a trader closes a trade, it gets mirrored at your side. But you have so much control. If you don't like the trade a trader opened, you can just go and close it. If you've seen enough profit and a trader hasn't taken profit yet, you can just go and take the profit. If you don't like the way the market is going in these open trades, you have the ability to go and close the trade as well. A lot of traders doesn't close trades because they're willing to wait for the market to recover and see profits and gains on all their trades. They've added a new function. The function is an activated stop loss you can put in. You can choose the percentage, you can activate it, and if the market does fall that far down, it will just automatically close the trade and take the loss for you. I'm not a recommended person for this option, but it depends from everyone on their own ability and what they want to do. So let's get to the numbers. Currently, we're standing with 131 open trades. That's trades that's waiting to give us profit. They're already set and all waiting. Looking at the percentage average per trade since we've started with Copyprotraders, we're averaging 9.8693% per trade. That's not the overall percentage on what we're making per month or per week. That's the average percentage on closed trades. So since we started trading, every single trade closed, the percentage was taken and calculated, and it's giving us an average of 9.8%. Closed trades. A week ago, we had 7 closed trades for January, and currently we're standing on 27 closed trades for January with an average of 9.86%. This chart is an indication of how many trades you need to close to get your subscription back according to your trade size. It's calculated on a minimum profit of 8% due to the fact that we're currently averaging 9.8% per trade. Looking at this, everyone trading with $50 or more has already made their subscription back and it's in profit for the rest of the month. That's our weekly update on Copyprotraders. Leave your comments and concerns down below and have a great one and enjoy the profits. Take care.